What if your financial future doesn't depend on a high salary? Many people think they need thousands to start building wealth. Here's a secret. Wealth often begins with small, consistent choices. Curious how small savings can grow into something big? Let's dive in. Many underestimate small amounts of money. A few dollars saved seem insignificant. Yet, financial success usually builds gradually, not overnight. Consider this. By reducing unnecessary expenses, like daily coffee runs or unused subscriptions, you can find opportunities to save. The goal isn't to cut out everything enjoyable. It's about being intentional with your money. Consistency beats a big start. Imagine building a wall. One brick seems weak, but thousands create strength. Setting aside a small amount regularly builds a powerful habit. Automation can help. You don't need to decide to save actively, just set it, and forget it. Remember, you don't need to save everything. Just make your future a priority. Understand where your money goes before saving more. Track expenses for a month. Identify those little costs that eat away at your funds. Differentiate between spending that enhances your life versus that which happens by habit. Redirect unnecessary spending towards savings without sacrificing your happiness. Time is your hidden ally in wealth building. Saved and invested money can grow through compounding. Consider this simple example. If you save and invest even small amounts over the years, they can significantly increase. Think about a tree. Its early growth may not be visible, but with time, it flourishes. So, what's the difference between saving and building wealth? Saving offers security, while investing provides growth opportunities. Start with a solid foundation, an emergency fund and responsible debt management, before venturing into investments. Educate yourself on investment options relevant to your situation. Now, let's create a system for your small savings. First, start with a realistic amount. Even a small percentage can be a good beginning. Then, save automatically to simplify consistency. Increase your savings as your income grows. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Don't let every raise increase your spending. Lastly, assign every saved dollar a clear purpose. Beware of habits that can sabotage your savings. Impulsive shopping, constant lifestyle upgrades, and high-interest debt can derail your progress. Remember, a higher income doesn't guarantee wealth without sound finances. Focus on your journey, not what others present as success online. To wrap up, meaningful wealth isn't an overnight miracle. It's about small decisions that build over time. Every dollar saved may not feel significant, but each choice is a step toward your future. Wealth doesn't start with a fortune. It begins with choosing not to dismiss small efforts. Start today. Pick one small financial habit you can maintain. Comment below on what you plan to save for. And don't forget to subscribe to Finance Flow for more insightful tips on money, wealth, and financial growth. Many people often overlook the power of small decisions in shaping their financial future. It's easy to get caught up in the notion that without a significant income, wealth remains out of reach. However, by embracing the small, consistent habits of saving, you pave the way for better financial health. Every penny saved is a building block for your future financial success. Finding enjoyment in frugality can transform how you view money. For instance, think about the satisfaction of brewing coffee at home instead of stopping by the cafe daily. It's a simple switch that can lead to substantial savings over time. Imagine tracking your spending for a month to uncover hidden expenses. It might surprise you to see how much those small daily habits, like a premium subscription or takeout coffee, can add up. With this newfound awareness, you can make intentional choices about where to cut back without sacrificing joy in your life. Redirecting that small amount into savings may seem negligible at first, but over time, it becomes a powerful tool in your wealth-building arsenal. Understand that every dollar saved is a deliberate step towards a brighter financial future. Consider how automation can significantly ease your savings journey. Setting up automatic transfers ensures that a portion of your income flows directly into savings or investment accounts without requiring constant decision-making. This simple approach helps you sidestep the temptation to spend that money elsewhere. Remember, the convenience of automation eliminates barriers, allowing you to consistently build towards your financial goals while focusing on rewarding experiences rather than frugality. As you witness the growth of your savings, each small deposit reinforces your commitment to financial well-being. By establishing an emergency fund, you create a safety net that protects you from financial setbacks. Begin with 3 to 6 months' worth of essential expenses, providing peace of mind during unforeseen circumstances. This fund serves as a buffer, allowing your investments to grow without the need to pull money out during tough times. Now that you're equipped with a solid foundation, let's explore investment options that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Investing is an opportunity to let your money work for you, building wealth over time through various avenues. As you venture into the world of investments, it's crucial to educate yourself about the various options available. Stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate each present unique opportunities and risks. Researching and understanding these financial instruments will empower you to make informed decisions that align with your financial goals. For instance, consider exploring index funds, which often provide a diversified and low-cost investment avenue. Always evaluate your risk tolerance and time horizon before making any commitments. Remember, knowledge is the key to navigating the investment landscape effectively and building lasting wealth. As you embark on your savings journey, start with a small, manageable amount that feels comfortable. For example, you might allocate just 5% of your monthly income to begin with. This gradual approach eases the pressure and helps cultivate a lasting habit. Once you establish this initial baseline, you can increase your savings contribution as your financial situation improves. Consistently saving, even a little, sends a powerful message to yourself about prioritizing your future, laying the groundwork for larger savings and investments down the line. Remember, in finance, patience and persistence can lead to remarkable outcomes. Beware of the financial traps that can hinder your progress. Impulsive shopping and unnecessary upgrades to your lifestyle can chip away at your savings, making it essential to remain vigilant. A higher salary can be tempting, but without conscious financial management, it can lead to a cycle of increased spending instead of saving. Keep focused on your personal journey and resist the urge to compare your path to others. The key is to stay committed to your goals. By embracing small, intentional choices and steering clear of financial pitfalls, you can truly transform your relationship with money. The journey to wealth may not be swift, but each step you take reinforces your commitment to a prosperous future, ensuring that every effort counts towards lasting financial success.